Today we're going to be reviewing the Halo Sleep Sack, and I have it right here, you guys. They have so many different colors and different designs. We went with the stars and the moon design because we really love it. So this is it right here, you guys. This is good for 0 to 24 months. So it's a big range all the way up to they're 2 years old. I do like the fact that it's sleeveless, so the baby is not overheating. It does have a zipper in the front. We're gonna take it out of the bag. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about right now. But this is very, very safe for the babies because this replaces a blanket. You know, if you have a blanket on top of your baby and they don't know how to get out of the blanket, they could actually put the blanket over their face, and it's gonna make it a little difficult for them to breathe. So I really do like the fact that this pretty much replaces a blanket. And in that cold weather, you're still gonna have their PJs on, and then you're gonna have this on top of it. In that summer, you could go ahead and have them in a onesie and then have this on them, you know, depending on where you guys live at and how hot and how cold it gets. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Okay, you guys, I do have it right here. This is what it looks like. Here goes the sleeveless part right here. Your baby's head obviously goes right here. It does have a tag. And then if you guys look right here, it has like a zipper cover. That way the zipper's not digging into your baby's neck or none of that good stuff. All you do is pull it over and it's just like a flap right here, okay? So the zipper is from the bottom up. Let me show you guys. It is that reverse zipper. Here's the zipper right here. That's what it looks like. And if the good thing is it's the reverse zipper. So you could actually change your baby's diaper right here, change your baby's diaper, and then close the zipper off like that, okay? Just like that. Let me show you guys the inside, okay? This is what the inside looks like right here. There's no designs on the inside. It's just plain white. And you guys, it's a good thickness. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. This is perfect for your baby, like I said, all the way up to 24 months. Here is what the tag looks like right here, so you guys can check it out. I definitely recommend this for you guys' baby, especially if you want them to sleep through the night.